Before xTend can start monitoring your network traffic, you need to install the network agent. This is done in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Find the Install Agent window and click the Install button. Step 2. In the panel that pops up, click the Open System Settings button. Step 3. In the System Settings application, find where it says xTend was blocked and click the Allow button. Step 4. In the panel that pops up, click the Allow button. Congratulations! The network agent is installed and xTend is observing network traffic. You can now close the System Settings app and the Install Agent window. To see new network connections, click on the Traffic tab. Click on other tabs to see additional information like network traffic statistics.